In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Reddit. Hyperlinking is simply turning plain text into a clickable link so that when someone taps or clicks on a word or phrase, they're taken directly to a website, an article, a video, or any other URL you want to share. This makes your post cleaner, easier to read, and much more professional than just dropping long, messy links into your text. Let's walk through exactly how to do this, step by step, in a simple and clear way. First, you'll want to start by creating a new post. From your Reddit home screen, look for the Create button. This is usually near the top of the page or app, and it's what you click when you want to start a brand new post. Go ahead and click Create to open the post editor. Once the editor is open, type in the text of your post. Think about what you want to say and write it out as you normally would. For example, you might write something like, "Check out this article for more details," or "Here's my favorite resource on this topic." The important part is that you have some text where a link would make sense. Now, decide which part of your text you want to turn into a hyperlink. This is usually a word or a short phrase like "this article" or "my favorite resource." Highlight that specific text with your mouse or by tapping and holding if you're on mobile, so that it's selected. With your text selected, look for the Add Link icon in the formatting toolbar. This icon often looks like a small chain link or a link symbol. Click on that Add Link icon. When you do, a small box or pop-up will appear, asking you to enter the URL you want to link to.